This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Derrin Phoenix. Beautiful home in Eagle Pines near Geist. Open floor plan on the main level with a large kitchen plus breakfast room. Main level also features in-law quarters west/a private bath. Master bedroom includes a master bath west/double sinks, garden tub and amp, separate shower. Third and fourth bedrooms are connected with a Jack and Jill bath. A fully fenced backyard overlooks a beautifully manicured pond. Don't miss this move-in ready home. For more information, review the details below or contact Derrin Phoenix at 317-727-8852.